Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Changes in method of depreciation. As per accounting standard, changes in accounting methods need to be disclosed. So change in depreciation methods need to be reported in PL statement and balance sheet. Depreciation method should be applied consistently from period to period. A change from one method to another should be made only if the adoption of the new method is required by statute for compliance with an accounting standard, or if the change would result in a more appropriate presentation of the financial statements. When such a change in the method of depreciation is made, depreciation should be recalculated in accordance with the new method from the date of the asset coming into use. The deficiency or surplus arising from retrospective recomputation of depreciation in accordance with the new method should be adjusted in the accounts in the year in which the method of depreciation is changed. Such a change should be treated as a change in accounting policy, and its effect should be quantified and disclosed. Deficiency or surplus, as the case may be, should be reflected in the profit and loss statement. Accounting entries for change of depreciation method. The rate of change in depreciation is to be adjusted for under depreciation or over depreciation. Total depreciation provided on asset under existing method will be calculated up to the end of the previous year under the existing method. Total depreciation on asset from the date of retrospective effect to the date of change would be computed adopting the new method of depreciation. Difference between the new method and existing method will be calculated. It will be transferred to profit and loss account. Depreciation will be charged from the date of change by adopting the new method. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.